Number 7, work productively. I've taught this in the first class, but let me just run through it. So number 1, to be productive, first of all, you must yield more than you eat. So hear this, guys. It's important to yield, and it's also important to eat. You must yield, and you also must eat. The difference between a productive and non-productive person is the ratio between what they are yielding and what they are eating. If you are eating more than you are yielding, it's retrogressive. If you are yielding more than you are eating, you are productive. But all of us must eat, and all of us should yield. And in this phase, you must earn for the future. So now you begin to build the blocks for the future. You want to focus on what produces the most, and you want to be careful to pick your battles. The reason why I put that there is that when you are becoming productive, you must watch your exposure. It's not everything that you want to involve yourself in, because when you involve yourself in too many things, you reduce your productivity. So it's not every battle that is meant for you. Don't fight every battle. There are some problems you are dealing with now that you had no business in the first place going through that problem. It was a waste of your time. It was a waste of fights. To achieve anything in life, it will call for a fight. Do you agree? But some fights are worthless. And then in this place as well, you enlarge your possibilities.